Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make legume the Haitian way. Miss the Artistic Sam requested this video, so I promised her that I was gonna make it, and here it is. So today I'm making white rice and black beans, so I thought this would complement it very well. So to begin, those are the ingredients that we will need. Cabbage, choux, eggplant, tomato, green bell pepper, piment vert, parsley, persil, thyme, thyme, squash, militon, carrots, carotte, poireau, lime, and pepper, tomatoes, tomato paste, Maggi, girofle, sour orange in the back, then sour orange, salt and pepper, and vinegar. So the meat that I'm gonna be using, it's called, let's see if you can read this. It's called chuck roast boneless. So what you need to do is put some vinegar on the meat. You know, let the meat soak in some vinegar for about half an hour. Then in the meantime, the reason we're putting in there parce que nous pas chauffer viande bœuf, so the vinegar would destroy any bacteria in the meat. Then you're gonna season the meat and let it marinate for about half an hour. So we're gonna do this together, and I'm using this seasoning here because I'm kind of lazy today, and I don't have any fresh garlic, so it's called Canadian seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna show you about how much I'm using. Just a little, not too much. Let me wait a minute. Okay, I need an extra hand. Okay, let's see here. So we're gonna season the meat. Okay, that's enough. And this has all the ingredients that I would add anyways. So like salt, black pepper, onions, red pepper. So it's pretty good. Alright, and some other things that I'm gonna be adding in the meat is poireau. So I'm gonna cut that with one hand. That's quite a challenge. Alright, let's see here. Or you can blend it. You can blend poireau with the garlic together. You know, that way you won't have to. Anyways, I'm gonna put it like this in here. And also I'm gonna add the piment in there. I'm missing one. Alright, and we're gonna add some parsley. And some thyme. That's too much. Yeah, that's enough. And we're gonna put some Maggi there. adding jewel, so about this much, and some lime, some sour orange, oops, a little bit of sour orange, about this much. So after you soak the meat in the vinegar, you have to wash it because you don't want your meat to taste sour. So you have, the purpose of using the vinegar is to clean the meat and remove any bacteria. So at this point there, you can let it marinate, let it sit for about half an hour, and now we're gonna start chopping off the vegetables. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna need something to hold my camera. Okay. Maybe like this. Alright. So this is the squash. So you peel this off. Take off the skin. And I put that in the water on the side. This is a great recipe, you know. It's very comforting, like the food, and it's very healthy too for your body. So and all my Haitian ladies should know how to make this, so that's why I'm showing it to you guys. Alright, so chop this. And now this is the cabbage, and we just, doesn't have to be even or anything like that, so alright. I'm making a mess here, as you can see. So and then now this is the eggplant that I'm gonna, you have to peel it and then slice it. So here, the ones I have, and you're gonna do the same thing for the carrots. You're gonna clean it, you know, and also cut it. So now I have, in this pot there, I have some hot water, and I'm gonna add the vegetables in there. You're gonna add all the vegetables, but I'm not done chopping them off. So, and on the next video, I'm gonna show you how to, the technique of mixing all of them together. Alright, mixing the meat and the vegetables. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, now I'm gonna add, I already added the cabbage and the squash. Now I'm adding the cabbage, I meant eggplant and or a Belgian. Oh, I have a couple of squash there too. I think I have to remove some of the water. Maybe not. Alright. And you can cover this with the cover or with some plastic bag. Well, put a plastic bag on top of it, and also the top part of the pot. So, and please do not add the carrots yet. You need to add them at the very end of it, because you don't want to eat, you know, it'll be too soft and it does not taste good. You need it to be a little crunchy, not too crunchy, but not soft. Alright, so now the meat has been sitting, marinating for half an hour, so we're gonna add it. We're gonna cook it now. So let me just put that. Well, first I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Add some oil. As far as the meat, you can cook it the way you cook meat, you know. It's not, there's no specific way of cooking it. Well, beef, because it's beef, so you would not shoot it or, you know, add some hot water in there. You don't need to do that because it's beef. And alright, so we're adding that in there. And we just let it cook for about half an hour until the meat is soft and edible. So we are adding this there. And you can also cover the pot for the meat. It will help it cook faster. Alright, so alright, so once this is cooked and the meat is cooked, we're gonna smash this, and it's like blending it, not really blending it on a blender, but you need to smash it, make it soft, and then after that we're gonna add the meat to it. Anyways, check out this next step and I'll show you the process. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and let's see, yeah, hi, it looks delicious. Alright, and I'll see you on the next step once they're cooked. And once this is almost cooked, then that's when you add the carrots. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, at this point I'm gonna add the carrots. I like to add them in the sauce like this, and we're gonna let it boil until it's fully cooked. And there's a few ingredients that I added, like the green bell pepper, onions, and I also had a leftover crab. Well, I never used it, but it was in the fridge, sitting in the fridge, so that's a good thing to add in your legume. So we just add the carrots in there. Alright, and let's see. So as you can see, it's almost ready. This smells so good. And at this point now, you need to start tasting the sauce and see if you need to add salt or any other ingredients. Let's see. This is good. This is good. This is perfect. So you just let it cook. And this here is the vegetable. At this point, the meat is cooked, and also the vegetables. So we're gonna drain this. At this point, the vegetables are ready, so we're gonna drain it and put it in a bowl. Alright. Drain it and put it in this bowl. And here, that's black beans there. So good. You gotta try this, guys. And this is the meat. It's cooked as well. And we put it in this bowl. Alright, now we're gonna start smashing it. So you take a cup like this and you gotta smash it. Like this. But you want it to be I don't know if you can see it, like soft like this one. Alright. So you have to make sure it's you boil it completely for about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright. So you smash it. And after you smash it, we're gonna drain it and get the excess water out, because you don't need that. Grab it. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna sit this somewhere while I do something else. Place that right there. Okay. Now we're getting some of this here. And I'm waiting on my husband to bring me the rice so I can make the right rice. Alright. And we do the same thing again. So it's not difficult at all. So it's just knowing what to do and all the techniques. And that's basically it. And it's trial and error. It didn't taste right this time. Next time you'll know what went wrong. And if you have to, like I said, you have to keep tasting your food and see if it's missing salt, pepper, garlic. So you want to smash it like this. place this. I'm trying to drain the excess water. Hold on a second. Let me carry it to the sink. Sorry, guys. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna drain the excess water. Ooh, that was good. Let me bring this over here. Maybe you guys can see. Okay. Smash this. And putting it in the blender will make it too soft. So it's like baby food. You don't want it to be like that. You want it to be soft, but not like, you know, liquid. So that's why, you know, the way I'm doing it is probably the best technique of doing it. Smash. I guess maybe if you're angry, you can take your anger on this. Alright. So now I'm gonna drain the excess water from this. Let's see. I wish I could probably hang this, that way you guys could see what I'm doing, but okay, right here I'm draining the excess water and put it in there. I think I did something. I think I forgot to put it in this, and I just put it in this. Alright, it's okay. Alright. So then at this point we can, let's go this way. You can do it either way. You can put it while it's cooking, or like this. It's the same thing. It's all of them can be mixed together. So that's the purpose of this. Alright. Mix it together. And we're gonna cook it for another half an hour. Alright. So bon appetit. Enjoy. And this is the final stage of the legume. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit.